Welcome to Nagesh Karajki Orchid School. I am Abhinasha teacher teaching you grade 4 science. Today we are going to learn new lesson from our term 2. Before starting the new lesson, we will recall some points from previous lesson. Let us see the board. In previous lesson, we have learned about force, kind of force, work, simple machines, energy and source of energy in lesson number 4, that is force, work and energy. You all have a family. Yes, everybody have family. Even your friends have family, your neighbors have family, your teacher and other people have family. We live on a earth. Yes, we live on a planet earth. But do you know the earth is also having a family? You know the members of family? Okay, now let it be. Now tell me, what do you see in the sky? You see sun in the during day and moons and stars during night. Everybody you know, right? But you might be thinking, why teacher is asking? We have learned in LKG, UKG. Yes, but it is related to our today's topic, that is lesson number 5, the earth and solar system. Lesson number 5, the earth and solar system. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the stars and the sun, the planets and the solar system, the earth, and fourth one is how the earth moves. These 4 points we are going to learn in this lesson. Let us start. The stars and the sun. A star is a huge ball of hot, glowing gases. Yes, you have seen the twinkling of a star in a night sky. The star is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. They are made up of glowing gases and it is very hot. The sun is also star. Yes, it is also made up of glowing gases. So we can say the sun is a star. The sun gives out heat and light. Yes, everybody knows that the sun gives out heat and light. It is nearest star to the earth. It is very near to the earth. That is why it looks so big compared to other stars. We have seen the twinkling star, it looks like only dot or some glowing point, but the sun is very close to us, so it looks so big. All stars other than sun appears as twinkling spot of a light in a night sky. Yes, you have seen this the twinkling spot of a star. They cannot visible during the day because of the light from the sun. Yes, the light of a sun is so bright, because of that we cannot visible, the stars cannot visible during the day. Without the sun's heat and light, the earth would be very cold. Yes, the sun rays falls on a earth, it becomes warm, means our earth become warm. We have seen this point in previous lesson. Because of sun's heat and light, the earth is warm. There would be no life on the earth. Yes, because of the sun rays, plants make their own food, and that plants we are eating, means we are depend on a sun. If there is no sun, what will happen? There would be no life on the earth. Let us quick review of the star and the sun. The star is a huge ball of hot, glowing gases, gives out heat and light. Once again I will read. The star is a huge ball of hot, glowing gases, gives out heat and light. Sun is also a star. It is nearest to earth. Other stars twinkling at night. Due to light of sun, it is not visible during the day. Without sun, there would be no life on a earth. Just read these points carefully. Now we will see our second point, that is the planets and solar system. A planet is large heavenly body that goes around star. Planet does not give out own heat and light. They don't have their own heat and light like a sun. Our earth is a planet. Yes, everybody knows this. Earth is a planet. The earth and 7 other planets move around the sun. Yes, you can see in this picture the central glowing circle is a sun, and other planets are moving around the sun. That yellow color ball, it is the sun, and others are planet. The 8 planets in a order of increasing distance from the sun. Yes, they have the increasing distance from the sun. The earth and 7 other planets move around the sun. Now we will see the names of planet in the solar system. The first planet is Mercury. It is very close to the sun. After Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are 8 planets in our solar system. Neptune is farthest from the Sun and Mercury is closest to the Sun. Till 2016, Pluto was considered the 9th planet in the solar system. However, in the year of 2006, scientists decided that it is too small to be called a planet. We will see one presentation about Pluto.
How many planets? Do you know that up until 2006 there were 9 planets in the solar system? The 9th planet was Pluto. It was the smallest planet, was furthest from the Sun, and was also the coldest planet in the solar system. About Pluto. Pluto was discovered in 1930. Since it was the coldest planet, it was named Pluto after the Roman god of the underworld. And very old English girl suggested the name Pluto. So what happened to Pluto? Astronomers who study planets found that Pluto was not really a true planet. It was only a dwarf planet. So Pluto lost its position as a planet. Now, there are only 8 planets in the solar system.
After 2006, only 8 planets was considered. Let us learn about planets. You can see some of planets as a steady point of a light in a night sky. They do not twinkle because they are close to the earth than the stars. Once again, I will read. They do not twinkle because they are closer to the earth than the stars. These planets move around Sun in fixed path called orbits. We will see. Yes, that circular line is called orbit, and that red dot is a sun. Others are planets. They are moving around the sun in fixed path. That is called orbit. Six of these planets have smaller object called moon moving around them. From 8 planets, there are 6 planets. They are having smaller object. That smaller object is called moon, and that moon is moving around that planet. Our earth has only one moon. Yes, you have seen in the sky there is only one moon for a earth. It is called as natural satellite of a earth. Mercury and Venus do not have any moons. Yes, the planet Mercury and Venus, they don't have any moon. The sun, the planets and their moons belong to a family of objects called the solar system. Once again I will read. The sun, the planets and their moons belong to the family of objects called solar system. The family of Earth is called solar system, and we have seen the family members of Earth, that is Mercury, Venus, Sun, Neptune. These are family members of Earth. Now we will see some factors about planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, which are closer to the Sun. They are called the inner planets. Why they are called? Because they are very close to the Sun. So Mercury, Venus and Earth, Mars called inner planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are inner planets. They are made up of rocks. Now we will see in detail about Mercury, which is very close to the Sun. Yes, this planet is nearest to the Sun. This is the picture of Mercury. It is very hot during the day and very cold at night. This planet is near to the Sun, so it is very hot during the day and very cold at night. We'll see about second planet, that is Venus. It is the hottest planet. Yes, from amongst all the 8 planets, Venus is very hottest planet. It is a planet closest to the Earth. It shines the brightest among all the planets. Carbon dioxide is trapped inside the Venus, because of that it is hottest planet. Yes, the carbon dioxide is there inside the Venus, because of that it become hotter. It can be seen in the morning and evening. Hence, it is often called morning star or evening star. Venus also not having any moon. Now we will see our Mother Earth. Our Earth is only planet that is known to have life. Yes, we live on a Earth means the Earth have only planet that have life. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It has one moon. Due to presence of water, it is called as blue planet. It has water and is surrounded by air containing oxygen. Earth have water and air is surrounded by the earth, which contains oxygen. In this picture you can see the surface of the earth, that is 70% of earth's surface is covered by the water and only 30% surface of earth is covered by the land. Because of water present on our earth, it is called as blue planet. Now we'll see about the Mars. It is known as red planet. You can see in this picture the color of the planet. It appears red because of red dust that covers it. On Mars there is a red dust, because of that it looks red in color. It has 2 moons. Our Earth have only 1 moon, but the Mars have 2 moons. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are further away from the Sun than the inner planets. We have seen the inner planets. They are close to Sun, so it is called inner planets. But Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are further away from the Sun, so they are called the outer planets. They are very cold and are made up of mainly of gases. Yes, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they are away from the Sun, so because of that they are very cold and made up of gases. We'll see about Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It has 67 known moons. Our Earth has only 1 moon, but Jupiter has 67 known moons. It has big red spot on it. Yes, you can see in this picture the red spot on a Jupiter. This is actually a huge storm that has been blowing from years. Now we'll see about Saturn. It is second largest planet. The first is Jupiter, the second largest planet is Saturn. It has 62 known moons. When we observe Saturn through a powerful telescope, we can see many rings around the planet. We'll see about Uranus. It is the third largest planet. First is Jupiter, second is Saturn and third is Uranus, is third largest planet. It has 27 known moons. Now we will see the last planet from our solar system, that is Neptune. It is very windy planet. Wind blow on this planet, because of that it is windy planet. Strong winds with the speed of 2000 kilometers an hour blow across the planet. It has 14 unknown moons. Now we will see one video about our solar system.
The solar system. Our solar system has 8 planets that revolve around the sun. They are
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury takes 88 days to circle the Sun, compared to the Earth, which takes 365 days. However, Mercury also takes 59 days to spin once around its own axis, while the Earth only takes 1 day to do the same. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system because it has yellow clouds which reflects the sun's light. Earth has more water than land. Mars has a volcano on it called the Olympus Mons that is 22 kilometers high. This makes it the tallest mountain on any planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system, so big that you can fit all the other planets inside it. Saturn is the second largest planet, but it is also the lightest. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. 1 year on Neptune is equal to 165 Earth years. Now you know something about each planet in the solar system.
So today you have learned about our Earth and planets. I hope you will read the lesson. If you have doubt, just write down in your notebook and underline difficult words. Thank you.